10 places that don't feel real. Most of you visited the lakes that certainly would have crystal clear water, with mountains rolling around them. But how many saw a lake with rose-colored water? There are still a number of spots on Earth that challenges the rules of nature and break them with their distinctiveness. These are places that don't feel real. However, they are still not aliens or from the other planets. Let's get into the details of the 10 most unusual places that don't feel real at all. Number 10. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra Island is situated in Yemen and is remarkably rich with a variety of plants and animal species. Flora and fauna of Socotra Island are so distinct that they are only present in this region. Every tourist wants to visit this unique place on Earth. Number 9. The Hand in the Desert, Chile. The Hand in the Desert is located in South America and looks like a place that doesn't feel real. It seems as if some artists carved the hills in the middle of the desert skillfully, or a giant is waiting just under the earth and struggling to get out. Number 8. Chocolate Hills of Bohol Island, Philippines. The Chocolate Hills of Bohol Island are located in the Philippines and stretch over the largest territory. There are around 1,300 yellow hills within 50 square kilometers. The yellowish color of the hills comes from grass that turns yellow because of the scarcity of water. Number 7. The Tianzi Mountains, China. The Tianzi Mountains are located in China and a place that doesn't feel real. The highest peak of Wulingyuan is present in the same region. The famous movie Avatar was also filmed in the same stunning peaks. The 4 popular wonders are also part of the same territory: rays of sunshine and the sea of clouds. Number 6. Badab-e Surt, Iran. Badab-e Surt is an unrealistic place on Earth located in Iran. It is formed because of the flowing of water over the mountains. For thousands of years, from 6,000 feet above sea level, the water dissolves a lot of minerals that comes its way. The interesting thing about the water is, it does not freeze even in winter.